Today we will show you how we build a spaceship, and we will explain everything to you step by step in detail. Make sure to watch this video and stay with us throughout.
Morning. Manifest and bill of lading, please.
Here you go. I'm T7 Transportation.
Undercarriage scan complete. Clear.
Identity verified. Access granted. Proceed slowly.
All right, clear on the left. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on that roll.
Hold it steady.
Drive forward slowly. Keep coming straight back.
All right, bring it left. Easy now. Little lower. Hold it there. Okay, set it down.
They are feeding the large steel rolls into the straightening machine, which is cutting them into big pieces and straightening them. They are lifting the large steel sheets, using a lifting machine, and placing them next to the heating machine.
They are placing these sheets into a machine, and from the other side of that machine, a large SpaceX body is coming out fully formed.
The entire SpaceX body has been painted white, and the camera is showing it clearly with a close-up view.
Engine mount alignment is green. Proceeding with the primary torque sequence.
Copy that. Engaging secondary manual lockdown.
Some workers lift the rear part, close the engine section, and attach the back panel. They tighten all the nuts to secure it.
The turbopump integration looks stable. Nuts.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the final locking sequence. Component attached and locked. Initiating computer link. Stand by for activation sequence. Looks stable.
Initiating stabilization sequence. Power levels look good.
Confirmation received. The machine is fully operational.
The scientists are saying that all the mechanical parts have been checked, and they have tested everything thoroughly.
Lift. Hold it right there. Now, slowly bring it down onto the mounts. Steady.
We're showing a slight anomaly near the forward RCS thruster.
Pulling up the schematics now. It might be a sensor glitch.
All the workers are checking it carefully and inspecting the SpaceX machine from top to bottom. The scientists confirm the work is complete and everything is checked properly. They instruct the team to prepare for launch and ensure all systems are okay.